rule the land. But today, the truth will be revealed.
Create realistic AI videos with me.
To do that, we are going to make use of Flow, also known as VEO. Though there are different AI tools you can use. You can use Grok, you can use Value AI, you can use Clink AI, you can use Heijin. There are different AI tools to achieve this purpose. But for this tutorial, we're going to make use of Flow. So let's go. The first thing, we are going to get our script. If you have watched our previous video, that is where we taught how to write prompts, how to get your script. So I'm going to my ChatGPT app. When you come to your ChatGPT app, you type here and give ChatGPT your prompt. What you want to create. You must have an idea of what you want to create, and then ChatGPT will help you and enhance it. Like I told you in the previous video, I don't always start new chat unless I have a new topic that I want to chat or I want to discuss with this ChatGPT. Otherwise, I always make use of my previous chat. So for this video I'm creating, because I want to use it for an advert, so I'm going to go to the place I have the growth tribe. This is the growth tribe. I'll have a conversation. I've been creating content with this. I'm going to just go so that I don't have to talk too much, so that ChatGPT will know where I'm heading to. So I'll come here and type my prompt. I want to create a 4-scene advert video for YouTube collaboration. So I'm just going to give ChatGPT a simple prompt, and it's going to help me and enhance it, and also give me this scene by scene prompt to generate these videos. So let me put in my prompt. Now this is my prompt. This is what I said. Give me a video prompt to create a 4-scene advert video for YouTube watch time, engagement, and subscription using the pain, problem, promise format. For those of you that are into digital marketing, social media, you should know what pain, problem, promise format is. The ad is aimed to target serious YouTubers who want to grow organically and are tired of struggling alone. There is a monthly subscription with just 1,000, and the character should be a young, beautiful Nigerian lady. Remember to maintain same character in all scenes. There should be correct pronunciation of words. If you don't have strength to edit too much, just put this one. If not, there'll be so much mistakes in the English that you have to come and be doing cut and join. So to avoid that, always put it in your prompting that they should pronounce the words correctly. And each scene should not exceed 8 seconds. This is because Flow can only generate an 8 seconds video per generation. So if the scene is longer than 8 seconds, it's going to cut that particular scene. It will not have it will not give you the full distance that you give. So always remember to put it 8 seconds. It should not exceed 8 seconds. Then I also said, also make use of Nigerian English. If you did not put it, it's going to generate somebody that will be speaking American accents or British accents for you. So this is the prompt. I'm going to send it. This is the outcome. So I'm going to copy each. This is a copy and paste prompt. There is not much work. You just have to copy this prompt and head over to Flow. Now this VEO, we are not going to pay, and there is no subscription money. It is free. So when you come to your Chrome browser, you search for Flow. You select this one, Google Labs. You click on Create with Flow. Now you choose an email account. For this free usage of this Google Flow, it's just 5 videos per email account. Now if you look at you're going to see different email accounts every month. You can only use it to generate 5 videos per month. So I've used all these ones. I just created this email account now because of this tutorial. So I'm going to click on this email account. You select these things, just select them and click on next. You scroll down and click continue. Now this is where you click on create new project here. So I've clicked on create new project. Now to change the aspect ratio, maybe you want to post it on Facebook, you want to post it on YouTube, you click here to select the aspect ratio. Now this video I'm going to use it for an advert. I mean the videos I'm creating, I'm going to use it for an advert. I'm going to use an advert on Facebook, so I'm going to just leave it at portrait, which is for Facebook videos. Then if you're creating videos for YouTube, you select this landscape 16:9, which is for YouTube videos. And that's all. That's if you want to change the aspect ratio. Then you come here and paste your prompt. The prompt I copied, I'll just go ahead and paste. So this is it. So let's play and see what we have.
Are you posting videos and still getting small views, low watch time, and almost no engagement?
I do not like this. I'm not going to make use of this video. I want the character to say this and not a voiceover. So what this thing did is it gave me a voiceover. So I want the character to say it. I forgot to put it in my prompt that the character should be the one to say it. So take note of that. I'm going to pause this video now and go ahead to generate all the scenes, and then I will still regenerate this one because I have to change the prompting so that this character should be the one to say that and not a voiceover. Then after that I will continue and then we'll compile using CapCut, just like the same way we did in the previous video. After downloading the videos from Google Labs, the next thing is to move them to CapCut, Filmora, InShot. Depending on the editing app that you use, you just go there and compile all the videos and make some necessary edits. You add background music if you wish. I've taught how to do that in the previous video, and this stage has already been taught in the previous video, so you can go, if you have not seen that particular video, you go and watch it and know how to compile these videos. I don't want to make this tutorial long.